Welcome back.
Today we're doing a weekly inspection on this small, newly established colony. It's been about a month and a half since they relocated here, and they are now completely settled into their new home. Because this particular colony is a bit aggressive, I'm handling them with extra care today. I'm wearing a full bodysuit, not just for my safety, but for theirs too. If a bee stings, it dies, so full protection ensures a safe inspection for both of us. To start, I'm gently puffing a little smoke into the entrance. This calms them down before we open things up. After waiting a few seconds for the smoke to take effect, I gently lift and remove the roof and the upper inner board. Slow, steady movements are key here to prevent triggering any defensive behavior. Now let's take a look at the frames. We'll examine them one by one. Looking at the corner frames, you can see the bees are still actively building out the comb. Moving into the middle frames, the activity really picks up. These frames are beautifully filled with healthy brood and plenty of nursery bees. The colony is looking incredibly strong and healthy. During this quick check, I didn't manage to spot the queen, but the abundant, healthy brood tells me she's doing her job perfectly. Next, it's time for some essential hive maintenance. I'm lifting the entire box off the floorboard. The floorboard is where debris accumulates, making it the prime target for wax moths to lay their eggs. For a small, growing colony, wax moths are the biggest threat, so keeping this area spotless is crucial. I smoke the floorboard gently to clear the bees away before I start scraping. Then, I thoroughly clean all the corners where moth larvae love to hide. With the floorboard completely clean, I carefully set the box back down. When reassembling the hive, you have to go incredibly slow to make sure not a single bee is harmed or crushed. Everything is securely back in place. A successful, safe inspection and a clean home for a thriving colony. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next inspection.